Okay, I'm going to introduce you to the Artec car jump starter. This will jump start a car up to 4 litres, so it will have no problem jump starting the Vulcan. We have the power unit itself and the jump leads. Now, my battery is currently flat, but it was done intentionally so that I could show you this working. So you won't be able to see this, but you can hear my bike isn't starting. Battery is flat. So negative onto negative, positive onto positive. We connect up the block into the charger and it will only go in one way. Once we've got it in, we wait until the green light is solid. We switch on the power. We've switched on the power. And then we start the bike. Then we disconnect everything and we now have power to the bike. And there we go. That's how to use the Artec jump starter.